Hi friends, hi YouTube. I was asked a question on one of my videos on these airless pump bottles. I was asked how to clean them so that you can reuse them for a different product. So instead of answering the one comment, because I'm sure other people have the same question, I'm just going to make a video on how to clean it, how I do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I'm at my kitchen sink, and what I have found works the best for me is to use up all the product that I have in here. And I've talked about having this little dental, I don't know what you call this, it's like a scraper or a pick or something. This is what I use to take the bottom cap off. And this doesn't work for all of these airless pump bottles because they don't all have this removable cap. But mine has two little holes on the bottom. I don't know if you can see them, but I stick this in there and I pull it out and I just put this little disc aside. You need to make sure that you hold on to that disc. So push down the part that goes up and down in here. I put a little bit of soap, put some water, and shake it. And then rinse it, shake it. You could even give yourself more room, push that down. This one doesn't go in there. Oh, there we go. You can push it down further so that you have the ability to put more water, a little bit more soap, and shake it up. Cover the end, give it a good shake. Make sure that you're running some of that soapy water through the little pump to get everything out of it. So you do this multiple times, however many you think, until it's cleaned out. So I still have one little stubborn spot right here. So another thing that you can do is push this all the way out. You need to pay attention to how this is constructed, otherwise you could run into a problem. So I'm going to push this inner piece all the way out. See, so you can do that. And then you just put this back together, push that up to the end. Draw is not very strong. Okay, you just let this air dry. So once you're done, then you take your little flat disc and you stick it on the end. I do this once it's completely dry, otherwise you have this water in here. I undo that, also keeping track of which way is upright. Let it dry, let all my pieces dry, and it's good for your next product. I hope that helped you guys. See you later. Bye.